Morning, y'all. Raining. It's actually not that bad. It's like that misting rain, but it is a bit windy, breezy. But it is Monday. Yeah, it's Monday. Back to normal today for me. Great Thanksgiving weekend. Busy. I'm a little bit tired from it, to be honest. But great Thanksgiving weekend. Enjoyed it so much. It's nice to have a sort of break from work. And to spend some time with people I love. Yeah. Back to normal schedule today. Continuing the holiday themes, but still doing our politicking today. We'll have our live show tomorrow, and so on and so forth. So I hope you guys are enjoying some of the real life moments that you've requested. Some unfiltered, honest chat, unscripted. And if you guys have any ideas about what you might want to see me do to celebrate the holiday season, just let me know in the comments, or however you want to get in touch with it, whatever's easiest for y'all. I'm going to turn around and go back home because this ain't cutting it. Hope you have a great Monday. Have a good week. Love y'all. Bye.